Hey Dewdrops, happy Tuesday! It's the start of a brand new series and we are painting pinks and greens today. This reminds me of summer, reminds me of flamingos, makes me very happy. So I hope that you have something to make you happy. I'll be honest, I have been struggling to find some inspiration that really brings joy. So I found something and we're gonna do a whole bunch of it. All right, so I hope you're ready. So that was a quick video of me mixing the paint colors. You guys don't usually get to see that, and it takes an enormous amount of time. So this is what we have settled on. We are gonna start dropping our paints into the tray of the water, one drop at a time. I had a plan to do, I guess we're doing lines. It's not really an ombre, but we're gonna keep dropping consistently in our color areas. We're not gonna mix up the paint real bad today, except for that one drop that got away from me. So you can see we've got a lot of paint on our tray. The colors are starting to stack up nicely with one another. I just want to make sure that they are super thick and vibrant. So we're just going to add a little bit more. And a little bit more. All right, Dewdrops, bring in the rakes. Let's see what we've got. We're going to mix our paint around by moving slowly through the tray, bringing it back to get new and different patterns. I'll be honest, I kind of wanted to stop here, but we're gonna keep going. Also wanted to stop here. And I couldn't take it. We have to stop here. It's too pretty. I always forget that my paper, when lined up this way, does not fit in my tray. So we're doing the best we can here. Let's pull that paper out and see what we've got. Oh, Dewdrops, what do you think? Oh, I really like this one. I love it. I hope you do too. Dewdrops, I hope you're having a great day.